Gallon a day, good for you. What is up, Thicky fam, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cara here, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of a few hair care products that I have got. So I just wanted to go over that stuff. I figured since I am actually doing a hair treatment, I'm doing Olaplex number 3 before I get into the shower. I thought it was just fitting for me to go ahead and do a quick unboxing of some of the stuff that I've received. So 2 packages that I got. One is from Melanin Hair Care. The other one is from Uncle Funky's daughter. For the Melanin Hair Care stuff, I purchased that myself. I did a pre-order, and then Uncle Funky's daughter is actually some PR stuff that I just wanted to unbox and show you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, y'all. So in the box, first open it, I have some cards here from the homie Wit. Love her, like love her in these products. Second thing is the main thing that I got this stuff for was the new leave-in conditioner. It's pretty much multi-use, so you can use it as a deep conditioner, you can use it as a leave-in, as a regular conditioner. It's all pretty dope. I really like the fact that, as a matter of fact, this is the product right here. I really like the fact that this is multi-use and you could use it for multiple things, and I feel like you get a lot of products. So you get 16.1 fluid ounces, and it's just versatile. I'm really excited to try this. If you guys want to see how I use this, let me know down below, and I am more than happy to go ahead and do a tutorial on what I do. You guys probably already know that I absolutely love this brand. So in my last video, I talked about their elongating twist cream. Bomb. I use it. It's a staple in my collection. It keeps my hair hydrated and moisturized. I actually need to purchase another tub because I am almost out. My husband uses it as well, and he also uses the oil. So we're both using that. So I'm going to have to definitely re-up because I can't live without those products because they are just that good, and you get so much product for the amount of money that you're spending. So yes, that's pretty much what I got in here. What else? I think I got another thing. Oh, I got a satin scarf here, which I'm really excited about. This is, I'm not used to doing any color. I'm used to doing just black, plain, simple, but I saw this and I figured that I could definitely use a satin scarf because I have been using a satin bonnet, but sometimes when I do perm rod sets, I can't sleep with a bonnet for anything, and it's kind of frustrating and annoying. So I decided to get a scarf to see how I like that better. What else did I get? Okay, so in here also, y'all check this out. They knew what they were doing because the way to Cara's heart, food, goodies, you know? It is what it is. But check this out. So they went ahead and put a lollipop in here. Do you guys see what that says? Is it gonna focus? Maybe. Let me see. Oh yeah, there you go. So it says melanin, and I think this is so creative. Like, I don't even want to eat it. I kind of just want to have it for display. So yeah, I thought that was thoughtful and nice, and I got these on their website for their pre-order. I'm pretty sure that they are now just full-blown selling them, so definitely check the website out. And I promise you, it's good stuff. I'm not like this part right here is not sponsored. I bought this myself just because I like, know, and trust them. Thank you. Next up, we have Uncle Funky's daughter. So they sent me some packages. So just so you guys know, they are now in Walgreens, which is super, super dope. I'm really excited about this brand. I have, just like in my last video, I have tried their curl stimulator. I wanted to get my hands on a few of their other products, but I haven't been able to because at my local Target, they only had the curl stimulator, unfortunately. So, you know, that's all I could try. But they sent me some goods, so let's go ahead and see what goods I got here. Ooh, so I have the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. The same stuff that I showed you guys in my last video. Love this stuff. These make my curls just popping. Popping. Love it. If you guys want to try it, I highly suggest checking out Walgreens, see if they have it. Like I said, I got mine from Target, but they now sell them at Walgreens, so check them out. And what else did I get in here? Ooh, okay, so I got a travel size kit. How cool is this? I'm actually leaving town in a few weeks, so this is definitely going to come in handy. So let me give you guys a run through of what I received in here. So in here, I have the Midnight Train leave-in conditioner. I have the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream, the Extra Butter Curl Forming Cream, the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, which is the stuff that I've already showed you, that the full size that came with this, as well as the leave-in curl revitalizer. I'm really, really excited to check out this kit, and I'm glad I got samples of them, because you know, when it comes to getting stuff, you never know if you're going to full-blown like them, so you don't want to have a full-size product and have all of that stuff go to waste. But I'm really excited to try this stuff because y'all already know that Curly Magic Stimulator is a holy grail for me, so I will be repurchasing that forever and ever. I hope all the rest of these look good. I'll probably do some looks or some tutorials with me using this stuff, so if you guys want to see that, let me know, and I'm more than happy to do that. So that's pretty much my quick unboxing. I kind of did it on a whim. Like I said, I was over here doing a little Olaplex treatment, and I was like, why not just go ahead and do a quick unboxing before I decide to use these products. But for those of you who may be inquiring about Olaplex, I learned about that from my hairstylist and people just doing my own research, people saying that they use it to help strengthen their hair. I have recently been, this is my second time actually using it, so I don't feel a difference as of yet, but the products definitely smell good and hopefully they work. My aim is to do this stuff every other week, so I am gonna do the leave-in treatment, the shampoo, conditioner, oil, and I think the leave-in every other week. So we're gonna see how all of that goes. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you are not already subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? Join the Thicky fam. We're here. Mi casa es su casa. You know what I mean? So go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button. And if you are not following me on any other social media platforms, feel free to check out my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and even here on YouTube at Thick, Fit, and Pretty. And until next time, stay thick, fit, and pretty, and we out.